Welcome to our video on mastering the art of landscape photography. Today, we will explore how you can capture nature's beauty through your lens. Landscape photography allows us to preserve and share the awe-inspiring scenes we witness in nature. Each shot is an opportunity to convey the emotions and grandeur of the world around us. To capture breathtaking landscapes, it's crucial to have the right equipment. A sturdy tripod is essential for achieving sharp images and precise compositions. Mastering exposure is critical in landscape photography. Understanding the interplay between aperture, shutter speed, and ISO will help you achieve the desired effects and properly expose your images. To minimize camera shake, especially during long exposures, using a remote shutter release is recommended. This accessory allows you to capture sharp and blur-free images. Composition is key in landscape photography. Using the rule of thirds or leading lines can create a sense of balance and guide the viewer's eye through the frame. Don't overlook the details in a landscape. Nature's beauty can be found in the smallest flowers or intricate branches. Get close and capture those intimate moments. Timing is everything. Consider the season, weather, and time of day to create unique images with changing colors, lighting, and moods. Post-processing plays a vital role in landscape photography. Enhancing colors, adjusting contrasts, and fine-tuning details can bring your vision to life. Remember, landscape photography is about connection. Connect with your surroundings, immerse yourself in the moment, and let nature guide your creativity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art of landscape photography. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Keep exploring, and remember to seize the magic of nature one click at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.